All right, just got sent this new duffel bag from Peak Design, California-based luggage company. Could not have come at a better time, really, because I am planning a trip, because if I have to deal with another Minnesota snow emergency, I'm going to saw my own arm off. So, let's do us a little unboxing video, shall we? All right, so normally, when I think of duffel bags, the first thing that springs to mind is, you know, those classic green sausage-shaped bags that soldiers of yesteryear used to carry around. And although I did opt for like a sage green, this kind of seems like the furthest thing from. Hey. All right, let's take a closer look. Now, just in case any of you are wondering, this is the 65 litre in sage. Oh yeah. And I do love a good duffel. And this looks like a pretty solid duffel, if I do say so. Now, first thing I've noticed, and a lot of you pack rats may have as well, really long zipper on this. Which is great because it makes it a lot easier to like fit in bulky items. Not sure what that toggle's made of, but it feels sturdy as heck. Nice little branding there. All right, let's take a closer look inside. Okay, so on the inside we've got a few different pockets on either side. Pretty sturdy, good zippers. Mesh pockets as well, so you can see what's in there. It's always handy. And this might not be a super obvious one, but I honestly really appreciate that the interior of it is like a light grey, because it honestly just makes it easier to see what you've got in there, no matter what sort of like light source you're dealing with. But you know, getting back late to the hotel room or whatever, rummaging around for things in the bag, it's just considerate, and I appreciate that. Nice one, Peak. We also have some pretty decent pockets on the outside as well. These look like honestly a pretty decent size. That's not too shabby, and you get one of those on either side of the bag, which is pretty great. And again, that nice light interior, so you can actually see what's inside the bag. All right, let's take a look at these straps. So you got your main over-the-shoulder strap here. Very nice padding. It does feel pretty rugged as well and adjustable. And then, of course, you've got the side straps as well. And there is one really cool thing about the straps on these Peak Design bags, is you can kind of like play around with them and fix them to different points on the bag, so you can really like switch up and change the way that you're carrying it. So you've got like this little hook design here on the straps themselves, and then you can kind of so you can move any of the straps to fit on these little D-rings here, which oh yeah, no, that's on there. That's pretty rugged. Yeah, let's have a play around with some of those. Looks fun. Okay, you missed me wrestling with the main shoulder strap, which was, a real dent to my dignity and pride there, but on closer inspection, I am a little concerned about just how easy these might just pop off. I can do it with one hand. That'll kind of be the ultimate test there. Oh yeah. Okay, so that is definitely something to bear in mind. They can, just with a little twist, just kind of pop off. Okay, well, it's still an incredibly well-made handle. It honestly feels like it's made out of like a seat belt. That is tough as nails. Check out the Franken bag. So yeah, you can mix and match the straps to pretty much all of the D-rings. And while they're, you might want to be a little careful about twisting these, and them coming detached. It is solid, this thing. And not just solid, but this thing is, you know, waterproof as well. That is incredibly thick, durable, waterproof base that it's got there. And I'm also told that it's made with sustainable materials. So in purchasing one, you're not being part of the problem. I think a couple of the most important points for me is that, you know, it's an exceptionally comfortable bag to carry. Like this grip here, if you're just doing a classic handhold, that's very nice. I'm pretty sure that is real leather. And then the padding on the strap makes for an exceptionally comfortable carry hold. I've tried it a few different ways with a couple of different weights just now. Over the shoulder, in the hand, wearing it kind of like, you know, backpack style with these over the shoulders. But not only that, it's just a fantastic looking piece of luggage. That is super cool. Really looking forward to putting this thing to the test. This is the 65 litre, or around about 65 quarts if you don't speak Church of England. And I think if you pack it full, that's definitely going to be too big for a carry-on bag. But I guess if you're traveling light and not filling it to the brim, that'll probably fit in a carry-on bin, like an overhead bin. And alternatively, they do their duffel in a 35 litre as well, which would definitely be the perfect size for a carry-on. I mean, in terms of like luggage, duffels are kind of like my MVP, because they combine the carry space of something like a suitcase with the, you know, the versatility of a backpack. I mean, this has got tons of like, oh, there's even more pockets. You've got a bunch of carry space with this, and although it isn't like hard-sided, you've got these kind of like inside it, these sort of like ribs that have been formed along the side by the exterior zippers. Just give it a little more rigidity, which again I appreciate.